Huwamenta Kaikile! Today, maaga kami for the weekend. 7 a.m. pa lang at gagayak na ang aming family. Mangingibang bansa kami today. Pupunta kami ng Tallinn, Estonia. Dahil tomorrow is my birthday and ito ang regalo ng daddy sa kanyang Jusawa. Dahil nga ika niya
Happy wife, happy life.
yes, happy wife, happy life. So ito yung pinakamalapit na bansa sa Helsinki, which is 2 hours away lang siya via cruise or barko. So magsistay lang kami doon for a day. So, let's go! Iniwan muna namin yung car dito sa Park and Ride ng Malmi. This is a 24 hours parking area. Sa taas nito is the train station kung saan kami sasakay papuntang Helsinki. So, gagamitin namin to pag nagpa-park, lalo na kapag sa mga may oras na parking. 7:17 pa lang. Lagay ko na ng 7:30. And now we're here at Rautatie Asima, and next we're going to ride a tram heading to Tallinn Terminal. Ayan. Wow! Welcome aboard to a Caroline. We're giving you a quick tour inside. Right now, we're on deck 8 where you'll find several restaurants, cafe, shops, and even some entertainment areas. Outfit check! There are luggage lockers available. If you're traveling with a lot of bags or just want to keep your things safe, this is super helpful. For those who enjoy a little excitement, a Caroline also has its own casino on board. Ang dami oh. Maraming ganito. No, it's bad. There's a pop shop here too. Items are often cheaper than on land, specially branded products, thanks to duty-free prices and exclusive onboard offers. Pasok tayo? Next, we visited the duty-free store, which has a great deals on almost everything, from branded beauty products, finished chocolates, candies, and tons of alcoholic drinks. Ano din to? Alak?
Gusto mong tikman.
Wow! And of course, no cruise is complete without visiting the sun deck. Here, you can relax outside and enjoy the fresh air and beautiful sea views while you travel. It is still a bit cold at this time of year since it is spring, but totally worth it. Time check, 8:45 a.m. 9 a.m. pa dapat yung alis, di ba? We're going now to Estonia. And maganda ang weather ngayon. Ito ang pinakamurang travel namin ng pangingibang bansa dahil ito, we only cost 58 euro. Tama? Balikan, kaming tatlo na. 2 hours lang yung biyahe to this cruise ship. Ay, ang lamig, ang ganda! Wow! Hans!
Both on the same page. I don't want it to complicate. I know you're riding away. Is there room for us both on the same wave? Nothing breaks so clearly when there's love on the line. It's from time to someone that I don't
Baon.
Birthday na birthday ang handaan na.
Dito ang lamig. Di kami makapunta doon sa may part na may mga tubig kasi sobrang lamig doon. Dito kasi is may glass, kaya hindi siya ganun kalamig.
Ito, kung makikita niyo, ito.
Sige, kita nila.
Hindi, ito. Ito, yan, glass yan.
Mm. Wow! Malapit na tayo. So, ito na ang Estonia.
Ay, oo nga, layo na.
Welcome to Estonia! Ito yung terminal. Tapos, tanong mo na dito yung Old Town. Ayun lang yung Old Town, no? 15 minutes walk lang daw siya dito. Tara! Stockholm.
Welcome to Estonia. Pagod.
Now, let's head over to the highlight of this trip, the old city of Tallinn, Estonia. It is said to be one of the best preserved old town in all of Europe. That means many of the buildings we see here today looks just like they did hundreds of years ago. Literal na old. Back then, they say that the town was full of merchants, traders, and craftsmen. Tallinn is an important city for trade in the Baltic Sea. We've been to some other old towns such as Gamlastan in Sweden and the old town in Porvoo, but Tallinn's old town is even more amazing. So this is the flag of Estonia. Yung blue, black, and white. Souvenir shops agad. Ito ang itsura ng Tallinn. Old town. The vibe here feels like a real fairy tale. As you walk around, you'll see colorful houses, old churches, and towers that have stood for centuries.
hearts grow cold, but love fades in the sky. This love ain't automatic.
Texas.
Wishful whispers in the night. Not your echoes out of sight. I've been trying to.
As you head down in the lower town, you'll find small, cozy street with hidden cafes, art shops, and bakeries. Dito marami ring mga shops. Same sa mga old town ng Stockholm. Ng Porvoo, wow. Wow. Uy, grabe. Parang summer feels na dito. Grabe. Parang summer. Wow. Now we found ourselves standing in the heart of the city at the Raikoja Platz or Town Square, one of the most beautifully preserved medieval squares in Europe. As you step into this square, you're instantly transported back in time. Surrounded by stunning Gothic architecture, colorful merchant houses, and charming cobblestone streets. The square has been the center of Tallinn's commercial and social life for over 800 years. The old buildings now hold cafes, bookstores, and even apartments. Many Estonians are proud of their city and work hard to keep it beautiful. Surrounding Old Town are thick stone walls and defense towers. These were built to protect the city from invaders. Today, more than 20 of the original towers are still here, and you can even climb some of them for a better view of the town. Sa labas, ito yung itsura.
Tapin doon na.
Oo, stop na lang.
Uy.
Ay, matapay ko.
Ano to? Okay na?
Okay na?
Apa.
Ah,
Ay,
mani siya,
Mani,
5
peanuts.
euros.
Spices.
Yeah. Thank you.
What?
Mm.
For you as well, sir. You can have a try.
Back to Helsinki. Uy, ang dami lumilip pa doon. At the Tallinn Town Hall is a large grey building with a tall spire. It was built in the early 1400s and is the oldest town hall in Northern Europe that is still standing. Unfortunately, on this day, it seems to be under renovation. As we can see in this video, it's currently covered. Wow!
Video ka.
Dito kami kumain sa may Tule.
Tule. Come.
Tinawag kasi kami, sabi Tule.
Oo.
Mahal lang yung pasta for 17
Pala dalawang
euro.
pizza na lang.
Kain na. Dito kami kumain sa Tule Restaurant. Ang sarap yung pizza nila. Masarap din yung carbonara pero mahal siya for 17 euro.
Mas mura.
Ha?
Ito oh.
Magkano?
3 euro.
Oo nga no. Look na ang mga perfo. Ang goal naman natin ngayon ay hanapan si Abedjan ng souvenir. Doon sa din meron din eh. O Hans, so gusto mo si Blue Bay.
Pasok kan.
Gusto ko ito.
Ito ang aming biniling pasalubong. Same lang din sa kinuha namin. Yung isa kay Abedjan, ito sa amin.
Hindi siya pasalubong, pinabili.
Pinabili lang, babayaran niya to. Abedjan, 5 euro to.
Mm.
Crispy pork sisig, 25 euro sharing. 10 euro isa. Filipino restaurant dito sa Tallinn. Nora's Kitchen, yung pangalan. Sa labas na tayo ng Old Town. Explore naman natin yun. Tapos ay no, may train din sila dito sa tram. Cute ng tram nila.
Walk through. Outside the old town. Ito ang
Parang siyang maze.
Esplanade.
Parang maze.
Ito siya, oh.
Ano siya? Canot Garden.
Oh no, I don't like.
Pagod na. Pagod na si Star Wars.
Nakatumbling. Ito naman yung terminal ng Tallinn going back to Helsinki. So, 4 p.m. pa lang. Arkioski. 4:15, bali 6 pa yung sakay ulit namin. So, maaga kami pumunta dahil pagod na ang bata. Ay, mali. We're going back now to Helsinki in a few minutes. Pag 9 p.m. na almost. Ay, hindi pa pala. Ano ba? 8:22 p.m. and hindi na ba yung labas. Color blue pala. Parang alas 5. 30.90. Kuha tayo ng pineapple. 24 pieces to, no? No, 24 pieces. Where are we?
Helsinki.